Is it the right time to buy or sell Super Microcomputer stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Super Microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed to avoid missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 4, 2024, our system has identified Super Microcomputer as a promising investment opportunity, classifying it as a buy candidate with a score of 1.71. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have witnessed an impressive gain of 18.55% since we first recommended Super Microcomputer as a buy candidate just 5 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 3.71% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $344.40, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.76% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -10.44% to 14.43%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 125.37% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return ranges from 82.48% to 206.11%. This means that the stock's price could range from $624.76 to $1,048.07 after a year. Our latest update on Super Microcomputer brings a significant headline: evaluation of Super Microcomputer stock downgraded after the last trading session. The stock price of Super Microcomputer experienced a decrease of -0.393% on the last day, Wednesday, January 10, 2024. It went from $343.73 to $342.38. Throughout the trading day, the stock went through a 7.75% fluctuation, starting at a low of $332.24 and reaching a high of $357.99. Interestingly, the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, indicating a positive trend. In the past 2 weeks, it has increased by an impressive 16.33%. The trading volume on the last day decreased alongside the stock, which is actually a positive indicator as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -1 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.81 billion. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $357.99, while the lowest price was $69.02. Presently, the stock price is 4.36%, or $15.61, below the 52-week high of $357.99. It's important to note that this is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for SMCI. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with an upgrade action. And just a couple of weeks ago, on Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna also gave SMCI a neutral grade, but this time with a hold action. Let's go back a bit to Wednesday, June 7, 2023. Rosenblatt Securities gave SMCI a buy grade with an initialize action. Now, going back even further to Friday, August 12, 2022, Susquehanna had a positive outlook on SMCI with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research gave SMCI a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio to be a strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Super Micro Computer. The Super Micro Computer stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, there will likely be some support at $307.63 and $289.52. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the stock's near short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.393%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. The volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has shown a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 77 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average has displayed a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Super Micro Computer. Let's start with the downside. The stock has found support just below today's level at $322.19 and $294.40, based on accumulated volume. When a stock is testing a support level, there is always a risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Super Micro Computer finds support just below today's level at $322.19. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $294.40 and $293.87. It's important to note that this stock has a high level of volatility, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock, further highlighting its high-risk nature. Looking at the recent performance, the stock has shown a price range of $25.75 between its high and low, which accounts for a 7.75% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 7.66%. Let's begin by discussing the important fundamental data for Super Micro Computer before we explore potential trading levels. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Super Micro Computer has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.57. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Super Micro Computer. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Super Micro Computer is at $343.73. If you're not currently invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Super Micro Computer encounters its first support level at $322.19. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Super Micro Computer has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, with a combined average rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 6, 2023, Lau Yashian Wali bought 0 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 6, 2023, Lau Yashian Wali bought 0 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 6, 2023, Lau Yashian Wali bought 0 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 6, 2023, Lau Yashian Wali bought 15,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 30.206. In total, insiders have purchased 534,043 shares and sold 262,910 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting a stop loss at $328.93, which represents a decrease of 3.93%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which comes with a higher level of risk. We've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for Super Micro Computer stock. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. However, we want to note that we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. When looking at the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, January 11th, we anticipate Super Micro Computer to open up at $1.82 and start trading at $344.20. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. Additionally, we'd like to know what your target is for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.